Hi friend. So I'll just open it up and see. Oh, this is Mr. Shetty. We have actually know the author and he's very amazing. Like really smart but struck, accelerated beyond Mr. Rajesh Shetty, author of Met. I'll put a photo. He is amazing. I'll just give you the sync in 4K of this book. Excellent book. And I'll just keep that thing aside. And this is like a very hardcover book. And wow, just look at it. Quality is amazing. This you should, and it has a very matty feeling. Like, just if you see, there is a very matty feeling of this, and the printing quality is excellent. And this is how it's. I know, and you should know about. He's a very amazing person, and lot of things about him. And he is also, I think, he's also Angel Investor Lottie. So you imagine what kind of a person he is. He's very interesting to talk to, and his book can't tell you more, but you should get it. I'll give you the link for the Smart But Stuck, Mr. Rajesh Shetty. Very nice person and very good quality book. Bye bye. Thank you.